Hey guys, so I'm super excited about this math project that we're going to do. I think it's going to be awesome, and it's one of my favorite things to do with fourth grade every year. But you all have chosen to do the military airplane, which I think is going to be awesome. So this is the page that you will be at, and right here is where the video that I'm talking in right now is. But the first thing you're going to do is whenever you get to this video is remember that pausing the video is okay. I use YouTube all the time to learn things like math or to learn how to build a rock wall or, put a pocket door in my house, all kinds of crazy stuff I use for YouTube. But I would not be able to learn how to do those things if I didn't pause the video and rewind it. So it is okay to do that. And I hope that you do that when you get all the information that you need. Okay? So when you're here on your World War II plane page, what you're going to need to do is you are going to need to scroll down to where you see the word template. Okay? There is a picture of an airplane underneath that word. You're going to right click. On your mouse pad, you have two clicker buttons. You're just going to click the one that's on the right, okay? When you do that, this white box is going to pop up. You're going to click Save As, and you can just save it as the iStock photo if that's what it pops up as, or just anything you want to save it as, okay? So mine does this. Yours might not do that, okay? Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to click this plus button up here at the top. That's to make a new tab on my browser, okay? Then I'm going to type in Google Draw, all right? I'm going to click Enter. I'm just going to click the very first Google drawing that comes up. So after you click it, it should look something like this, okay? So this is the most important part. This is the most important part, okay? You're going to go up here to where it probably says Untitled Drawing. Click and drag it. When you do that, it's going to create a new browser, so it's like there's nothing else there. I like to make this small. That way I can still see all the requirements I have for my math, okay? Because I have to include all these math terms within my drawing, right? So that way I can see my checklist and see what needs to be in the drawing, okay? So after you have this is called a split screen, so you have two screens, right, on one screen, so it's split screen. Makes sense. So you're going to come up here to where it says Insert, and you're going to go to Image. Upload from your computer, okay? Then you're going to find the airplane template. You're going to insert it just like that, okay? If you need to make it bigger, you can make it bigger if you want to, whatever you want. Now, what you're going to need to do is you're going to play around a lot today. So you shouldn't be asking me a lot of questions because I just want you just to figure out what tools you have access to today, okay? So one of my favorites that I love to use is called this polyline. So you have the arrow, a line tool, a shape tool, text, and then even you can insert images, all right? I'll show you how to utilize that button in just a second. But my favorite tool is Polyline because with Polyline, what I can do is I can kind of like trace in the same direction or trace similar to like the shape that I'm making. And then I can fill it in. It's a really quick way to get lots and lots of color onto your artwork, okay? So that is one way to go about that, okay? Another way is like if we want to insert a logo of sorts, we can click the image button and then search the web, okay? And then I'm going to type in TriStar. We're going to make a Tennessee plane is what we're going to do. Let's see. Maybe not. Let's type in Incredibles. The Incredibles. Let's just do that. I love that movie. Okay. Search the web. Get you this. Incredibles. Incredibles. Okay, so I'm going to click the one that I want, and then I insert it. Now watch this. This is awesome. Now the logo's there, and the logo even has a clear background, right? So I can change the size of this logo. I can even spin my logo. Okay. And I can even move my logo. I'm going to need to make it smaller. Okay. So just like that right there. Okay. So there's lots of different things you can do here, but I want you all to make sure that you include everything in that list. So like you need obtuse angles, you need acute angles, you need a set of parallel lines, 2 sets of parallel lines, 3 sets of perpendicular lines, 2 rays, 2 line segments, 3 lines, and 4 right angles. That's lots of stuff to say. But you guys are going to add all that stuff in there somewhere within your composition. I have examples of that on the Canvas page I can show you all, or you all can go look at. So they're going to be really subtle. They're not going to stand out very much. And because we're going to go, we're going to print these out, give them to a partner, and they're going to have to find all the angles and such. All right. So I'm super excited to see what you make, but let me show you how you're going to save it. So after you are finished and you have included all of this and your artwork is finished, oh no, here we go. Oops, there's little people. I mean, it's big 6th graders when they were little. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to where it says File. Oh, you can actually name it if you want to. I'm going to name it my name. But you can come over here to File, scroll down to Download. Download as the PDF. Woo! And then it is all to your computer. And you just upload it to Canvas like you would any other artwork. Okay? So I cannot wait to see what you all create. It is going to be amazing. Amazing. So happy making, friends. Bye.